Hi everyone, welcome back to another video section. In this video section, we are going to see something about Autocad macros. I think in the last video section, we are showing some macro to create some layer. In this section, we are going to capture about some revision cloud and with the revision triangle block. Okay, for that we need to create revision triangle block, and then we are using the macro command to create the cloud plus the block inside. Okay, we will go through the video. Here I already created the menu file. First I will go and search the same menu file and I will load to the Autocad. Once it's loaded, we can see in the menu bar we are added the third one, revision cloud. There we have two revision size setup, revision 1 and revision 2. First we need to run the create the block function, so it will create the block with the revision 1 and the triangle. Now we'll draw a rectangle and we'll use the second line with the arc 5. The number 675 is representing the arc length. So once you click that, it will convert the rectangle to the revision triangle or revision cloud, and that revision triangle will be automatically appear. You need to select the location to place it. We can try this one with the polyline as well. If you see the command window, you can see from the macro what are the command running and how it was happened. So each line I have given the response of the code. I think we will see the code soon. This example I done for the completely new drawing. So the first step, revision block creation, it will create a block and textile everything. So once you already created that one, again don't try to recreate the block, it will end up with some error. Also, once you first option you can use for only the starting. If you having already a block inside your drawing with the same name, you can use from the code too. No need to restart with the first one. Okay, now we will see the codes what I created in the notepad. This bottom complete section, it is for the revision cloud and the revision hierarchy. Here we can see the first row, it is completely to make a new block and the text style. Because completely new drawing, that's why I made a separate code for text style, creating a text. And the third one, it is for the polygon, and fourth one to make a block and define the name. Other three lines we are defining about the revision cloud command plus the arc length, so there we can modify the arc length. I hope everyone like this video. If you like the video, you can press the like button and subscribe my channel who are not subscribed yet. Also press the small bell icon to get the instant notification when I am loading a new file. If you have any doubt or clarification, just comment in the comments box. I will see and give the reply. Thanks for watching. See you all soon with a new video.